Hey there, it's Mike Lefebvre with FSBO Sherpa, and in today's video, we're talking about 5 qualities that indicate you might be a fantastic candidate for sale by owner. Okay, obviously FSBOs come in all shapes and sizes, but there are some common characteristics that all successful for sale by owners share. As we go through these 5 qualities today, see if it sounds like we're talking about you. Number 1, organized. Selling your home on your own can be a very complex project with lots of moving parts. There's going to be documents to juggle. There's going to be a lot of contacts to keep straight. There's going to be dates to be aware of. Being a very detail-oriented, organized person is going to go a long way towards your success as a for sale by owner. Number 2, tech comfortable. Notice that we didn't say tech savvy. This is not any extreme coding or anything here, but you need to be pretty comfortable with working with your computer. That includes your email, the internet, scanning and working with digital documents. A lot of this stuff happens online and through technology, so you have to have a pretty basic grasp of what's going on with your technology. Number 3, realistic and objective. This is a hard one for many FSBOs. You have to take a very realistic and objective view of the whole process. You have to separate yourself out of that owner's bubble and look at things in almost a third-party kind of way. From the beginning, the very beginning, when we're prepping your home for sale, what needs to be fixed? What could be better? What improvements could you make till we figure out pricing on your home? The price you want your home to be isn't always what it is. Can you trust the data? Can you be objective and separate yourself out of that owner's bubble? If you can, it's going to help you out a lot. Number 4, wait for it, patient. Just like Rome wasn't built in a day, your home may not sell in the first day either. These things can take some time. Are you committed for the long haul? The more patient you can be in the process, the better off you'll end up. And number 5, motivated. This is a big one, and it's one of the first questions we'll ask when we meet. Why are you selling your home by yourself? What's your big why? We find that people with a very personal connection of why they're selling their home on their own tend to be more successful. Maybe you're trying to save up enough extra money to put a bigger down payment on your next house. Maybe you're trying to pay off a ton of student loan debt. Maybe you're trying to help your kids out so they don't have student loan debt. Whatever your big why is, if you can hang on to that and hang your hat on that, that will push you through to the end. We found that our clients with a big personal connection to why they're selling on their own tend to do better. That why will keep you focused and motivated through the entire process. Okay, that's it. Those are the 5 qualities we came up with. Sure, there are other things that would help too. Are you a great communicator? Very important to be able to communicate well. Do you have thick skin? Can you be humble? People are going to say mean things about your house, and they're probably maybe going to give you a lowball offer. Can you keep your ego in check and brush that off and just commit to the process? Now, as we went through these qualities, are you checking off a box for each one? Did each one sound like I was talking about you? Then you'd probably be a great for sale by owner. Did several of them sound like you and a couple of them maybe you could use some help with? I think you'd still probably be successful. If none of these sounded like you and you said, I have no idea who you're talking about, you might not be the right kind of person to do for sale by owner, and you might be better off hiring a really great real estate agent in your town. So take a good, long, introspective look in the mirror. If you think you have most of the qualities that make a great for sale by owner and you want to give this a shot, get in touch with us. We'll walk you through the steps, see if it might be a good fit for you. That's all I got for today. If there's anything you think I left out, please leave it in a comment below, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.